Horses out, we have Newsmaker, pass to begins, all Invictus, racing in third, Hakuna Matata, Blue Chic, Executive Order, and like in Manila is the early trailer, passing by the judge stand for the first time. We have Newsmaker, the leader by Oraling Kanahapa, as all Invictus in second, 3 lengths away into the Executive Order, Hakuna Matata in fourth, Blue Chic, and like in Manila is racing in last. Down the back stretch they travel. That's still Newsmaker, followed now by Zol Invictus. Executive Order is by the to take second, and about 6 lengths away in fourth, Hakuna Matata, Blue Chic, and Lake in Manila. Newsmaker still in front by Oralenga. Executive Order still in second. Zol Invictus in third. Hakuna Matata in fourth, Blue Chic, and Lake in Manila. Newsmaker still in front by Oralenga. Executive Order still in second. All Invictus. Hakuna Matata now try to get closer in fourth. Salas with Blue Chic. Lake in Manila. Newsmaker still in front by about 3 lengths. Executive Order moving up. Hakuna Matata, Blue Chic, All Invictus. Newsmaker, Executive Order moving up. Hakuna Matata on the outside. Newsmaker, Hakuna Matata is on the outside. It's now Hakuna Matata, and finally close. Hakuna Matata, Executive Order, then comes Sol Invictus.
Biglang nawala si Newsmaker.
Oh, and